Divorced? Update these legal docs now. If you've just finalized a divorce, I know your mind is probably spinning with a million things to do. But trust me, updating your legal documents should be at the very top of your checklist. Today, I'm breaking down the essential legal paperwork you need to update right now to protect your future. Let's get into it. First up, your will. This one's big. If you don't want your ex to inherit your assets, you'll want to revise your will as soon as possible. Update your beneficiaries. Name a new executor if needed. Make sure your wishes are crystal clear. It's not just about money. It's about your peace of mind. Next, insurance policies. Life insurance, health insurance, work benefits. Anywhere your ex is listed as a beneficiary, change it. Don't forget retirement accounts. 401(k)s, IRAs. These often pass directly to the named beneficiary. Joint accounts next. Bank accounts, credit cards, investments. Close or separate them ASAP. You don't want any unwanted surprises down the road. Make sure you also update the payable on death designations, so your money goes exactly where you want it. Power of attorney. Huge and often overlooked. If your ex can make medical decisions for you, cancel it. If your ex can make financial decisions for you, cancel it. Name someone you trust instead. Update your healthcare proxy too. Property deeds and titles, if both your names are on your house car. Other valuables, work with your lawyer to retitle them according to your divorce agreement. That way, you avoid headaches and confusion down the line. Finally, take a look at your digital life. Change passwords. Update emergency contacts. Review accounts where your ex might still have access. It's all about protecting your privacy and your future. I know it feels overwhelming, but taking these steps now can save you tons of stress later. Think of this as clearing out the old and making space for a new chapter, one that's truly yours. Remember, your future is worth protecting. If you found this checklist helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical advice. You've got this. You've got this. Before you go, like, comment, and subscribe to the Global Window for more global insights.